What is the neuroscience of trust? Imagine your brain as a busy city with many neighborhoods working together to decide if someone is trustworthy. That's what the neuroscience of trust is all about. It explains how our brain processes influence how we build and keep trust in relationships, whether at work or in life. When trust is strong, our brains releases chemicals that make us feel connected and safe. One of these chemicals is oxytocin, often called the trust hormone. It helps us feel empathy and bond with others, making collaboration easier. When trust exists, oxytocin flows freely, creating warmth and a sense of connection. Key parts of the brain involved include the prefrontal cortex, which helps us make decisions and judge if someone is reliable based on what we've experienced before. The amygdala is responsible for processing emotions and helps us decide if someone is a threat or safe. These two areas work together to evaluate social cues and past interactions. Another important region is the paracingulate cortex, which helps us understand others' intentions. This is vital for forming lasting trust because it predicts how someone might behave based on what we know about them. Different systems in the brain support different types of trust. For example, the ventral tegmental area is linked to reward and motivation, encouraging us to trust when we expect positive outcomes. The septal area is related to social bonding, helping us feel attached to others. When trust is broken, the brain reacts by releasing cortisol, a stress hormone. This can cause anxiety and make it harder to reconnect. That's why repairing trust takes consistent positive interactions. For first-time managers and young professionals, understanding this brain science can help you build credibility and a strong professional image. By creating an environment of openness and honesty, you activate the trust-related brain responses in your team. Showing genuine empathy and understanding encourages the releases of oxytocin, strengthening bonds. Being transparent about risks and decisions helps your team evaluate your reliability through their prefrontal cortex. If trust is damaged, addressing issues carefully and consistently can lower stress hormones and rebuild connections. Recognizing that trust is a dynamic process influenced by brain chemistry and social cues can help you develop stronger relationships and foster a positive organizational culture.